The hood is the hood. The hood is the hood, it ain't never gonna change. The hood is the hood. I said the hood is the hood, it ain't never gonna change. Let me say something, tell me something. Can I say something? We could be something. Cause everybody got a little something. Everybody been through something. September 24, 2004. My life was opened up to another door. My grandmother took me to America. 6th grade, first girlfriend, Erica. My grandmother always tell myself I never trust friend. Come straight home from school and don't follow them. Them will lead you astray and leave at the dead end. And I'm spitting straight facts cause I am a witness. Yeah, though I walk through the shadows of the dead. Sometimes me wish me never did have a big head. But if it never did big, then me woulda did dead. Gunshot, straight in my head. Like everybody have a past. Temptation I make bad man grass. Let's turn a boy evil. The Lord is my shepherd when I walk through the valley. Give me pass, me tell I cross outside Jamaica. Yeah, I rep Queens. Shout outs to Nuvo, Money and Bree. Shout outs to Fatima from Building 15. Her brother named Dwayne. Dwayne can't read. Now life in the hood, how you gonna succeed? They dropping out of school, they thinking shit cool. 90% of the girls is pregnant. The cops killing off and locking the young goons. If God was to come down, who would put the gun down? Mothers losing kid, violence, half he done now. Pass me a shot of Long Island iced tea. The goons don't play them, but really shiesty. Like everybody have a past. Temptation I make bad man cross. Just turn a boy evil. The Lord is my shepherd when I walk through the past. Give me pass, my fucking cross. Remember, let me say something, tell me something. Can I say something? It could be something. Cause everybody got a little something. Everybody been through something. Everybody pass. Temptations I make bad man grass. Just turn a boy evil. Tell Satan, say fi move out of me way and give me pass. I said the hood is the hood, it ain't never gonna change. Deserted with hate, it ain't never gonna rain. Straight weed, me not smoke Newport. Jamaica Avenue, catch me in a food court. Now early in the morning, me I got cut school. Or maybe show up and then dip like noon. Or just swipe my ID and leave right soon. Oh damn, that shit was a cool. The youth cross, the people lost. Mother Allah fret, nah eat and she not fast. And she pray for me, and she say to me, she will be here for me until my eternity. I'ma run from me yard, me never did care. My grandmother said me coulda call. She call all Jamaica and tell Uncle Paul. My auntie Anna say your boy stay in your class like. Let me say something, tell me.